Welcome to Kotak Mahindra Bank's VRM Contact Center. Dear customer, your call is being recorded for internal training and quality purpose. You're transferring your call to our service relationship manager. As the current relationship manager, they be on the call.
Good evening. Welcome to Kotak Mahindra Bank. My name is Ekram. I can speak Hindi, Telugu, English.
Yeah, this is Avan, Vikram.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, you were supposed to give a call. I didn't receive a call, so I called to that other number, this number.
Okay.
Yeah. So, your company has to understand, Kotak Mahindra has to understand actually as to what they have to do for their customers as far as banking matters are concerned. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. They really have to take this work seriously as far as banking matters are concerned. Yeah. They don't have to concentrate on other things which are related to me. Okay. Such as
Okay.
where I would work in the future. Okay. Whether it is Hyderabad or Bangalore or Gulbarga or Pune or abroad or whatever it is. It's irrelevant for them. Okay.
So, we'll have, I told you that on Tuesday we'll have a word, right?
Monday.
Okay.
Okay. I record the calls.
Okay.
It's on Monday. Okay.
Uh,
So kindly, the message to Kotak Mahindra via you is just limit the work related to banking thing. Okay. In my case, account related thing. Okay. So that we can only concentrate on banking related matters properly, systematically. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's not mix too many things. This Telugu, Hindi, English, Kannada, Malayali, Urdu, Tamil, that, this. No. We'll just keep it limited. Kotak Mahindra Private Limited Company, right? I'm not sure what the name is. I think it should be something on these lines. The company where I used to work, the name of the company was Span Infotech Private Limited Company. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not sure what limited word means. Now it means maybe they just want to limit the work related to software. Maybe for that reason they might have added that word. Span Infotech Private Limited Company. Limited. Private. They're not into government related activities. They're not into sports. They're not into any other things. They're not into rice industry, cement industry, construction industry, okay, building bridges, nothing. They're just into private, software related aspects. That's all. Private limited company. Limited. Yeah. So likewise, kindly just keep banking related matters to banking related aspects. Just to this. In my case at least, for my account, as much as possible. Okay. And when there is an issue, we'll discuss about the issue and then find a resolution for that, have a timeline, and then move forward and resolve the matters as much as possible. Yeah. So that we don't have to mix too many things. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is an important message actually. This is not something which I'm just saying for the sake of saying. No. This is purely about banking thing and how we are supposed to do the work as far as banking matters are concerned. That's all. I make money, keep the money at Kotak, create FDs online, get rate of interest, good rate of interest, and use the money as and when needed. And if there is an issue, I'll report to people like you or the bank manager, whoever is the responsible person for my account, and we move forward accordingly. Yeah, we will not combine access bank account related matters of mine, will not combine with my personal matters, okay, as far as job is concerned or hobbies are concerned or anything else. Yeah, or SBI bank account related matters or Canada bank account related matters, nothing. We'll just keep it simple as much as possible and only concentrate on my bank account related matters at Kotak Mahindra Bank purely.
Okay.
Yeah, so that your job is simple, my job is simple with regards to Kotak Mahindra Bank account related aspects. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's why we have different sectors. Okay, Kotak Mahindra doesn't deal with building bridges or constructing dams. It doesn't. Maybe they might into investments, giving loans and things like that. But I don't think any of your employees build bridges or construct dams. I don't think so. So we'll just keep it simple so that my life is simple, okay, so that I can make progress
Sure,
as
sir.
far as banking matters are concerned by working with designated professionals who are primarily into banking related work. That's all. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is an important thing, which is why I'm spending this much amount of time and emphasizing on this. I'm not into talk shows,
Sure.
English, Kannada, Hindi, or whatever else. I'm not into any of those kind of things. Even if you were to be from Pune, Mumbai, or maybe Chennai, or whatever else, it doesn't really matter. I have some preferences as far as English is concerned, Hindi is concerned, Kannada is concerned. That's fine. But the most important thing is banking related aspects. That work has to be completed by not spending too much of time, okay, without we speaking too much, without we wasting too much of time. Yeah,
Yes.
that's how we should work actually. We should just concentrate on banking related matters. That's all. Nothing much. Yeah. If you people,
Sure.
if you people work like this, then people like me will be influenced to keep more money in your kind of banks. Yeah. It should not be like if I keep money, I have to think a lot, such as whether my money will be safe or not. If there is any fraud, what will happen to my money? Whether will I be able to recover the money from Kotak Mahindra, or will I be able to get the right kind of suggestions, guidance, or whether they will take the responsibility or not. No, I should not really think about these kind of things. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So, banking related matters should be handled by banks. Okay? By
Yes.
proper coordination between your bank officials and customers. Without making your customers speak in great lengths for several months, and in spite of doing so, not achieving anything. It should not be like that. Because ultimately it's a business, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So everything matters. All these aspects matter. So this is important. Let's kindly do not mix too many things and ruin this system and my bank account related matters or my bank account related work. And ultimately it will affect your system, your company, and the whole banking ecosystem as a whole.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because people will lose trust. I mean, they will think that maybe all the banks are like your banks, I mean, then they will think something else, and again something else will happen. So at least your kind of people, your banks, if they concentrate on their work properly, okay, that will be useful for your customers and your bank officials, and for the banking ecosystem as a whole, right? Who are connected to the system, they will all benefit from it. So that's what it is. So you were supposed to have a call. I mean, we had scheduled a call today. I mean, we had set some expectations between us. You
Yes.
had some specific role for today.
Yes.
You were supposed to come back and tell me as to what Kotak Mahindra is saying, because you are the medium for me.
Yes.
So will they resolve this matter, or should I have to directly approach RBI? And even if I have to approach RBI, what should I have to tell to them? Should I have to raise a complaint against Kotak Mahindra, or should I have to tell that this is what has happened and Kotak Mahindra is not doing anything, as bank have told this way, like this? Or should I have to not involve Kotak Mahindra at all? I took a wrong approach. I should have approached RBI directly. What should I have to tell to them? What should be the approach? I mean,
Yes, sir.
Kotak Mahindra is a bank, right? They have to guide the customers,
Yes.
right? I'm not a customer of RBI. I don't directly work with RBI. Your company works with RBI, be it in the case of cash segment, or check, or banking related matters, or online related matters. Your company works with them, isn't it? Government of India, isn't it? Money system is under Government of India, isn't it? Even though Kotak Mahindra is a private company, it all comes under Government of India, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Even if ICICI, PhonePe, all these companies are private, they are using INR system, which is government driven system, Indian currency, Indian rupee, isn't it? Regulated by RBI.
So let me do one thing, sir. I will.
I just want to confirm. I just want to have a confirmation on this one. I mean, if I do online transactions via Kotak Mahindra Bank app and pay to other party by sending money online to their PhonePe account, everything is INR system, isn't it? It's all part
Yes.
of INR system. It's not like
Okay.
some kind of other currency system that exists between Kotak Mahindra and PhonePe. I don't think there's anything of this sort of system. It's INR only, isn't it? Regulated by RBI. Yeah, which is part of Indian government system. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
isn't it? I want to have a confirmation from your end. Do you agree, or
Yes, sir.
do you disagree
I
on this?
agree, sir. I agree.
Yeah. So now, when I report a complaint, okay, your company doesn't create a complaint, even if, in spite of having software systems in place. My home branch is in Bangalore. I don't have any confidence, even if I approach any nearby Kotak Mahindra bank, whether they will resolve this matter or not, because my home branch manager says that they don't actually manage my account, even though my account is in their branch, because VRMs have taken the control. Okay. And VRMs, they don't do their work properly in my case. And people like you from service department happen to call me, and I engage with your kind of officials from your department, and we don't move forward. So
Okay.
now today was the final date actually to hear from your end as to what I can expect, whether I should proceed via Kotak Mahindra channel or should I have to contact RBI, and if I have to contact RBI, what should I have to tell to them? What if they say that you have to approach Kotak Mahindra Bank because you have done the transaction via Kotak Mahindra Bank? We can't do anything. They might say we regulate Kotak Mahindra and PhonePe as well, and we are in turn regulated by Government of India, but still we won't take responsibility for this transaction because you have done the transaction from your end. Now, if this is the case, people will take the money and they will not do the business with my kind of people properly. Okay, and this is as good as saying that they are free to loot people like me at will, and no one will take any kind of responsibility in the system. Then should we have to approach Beijing or Moscow or maybe Berlin or maybe Washington DC? Whom should we have to approach? Or maybe Sydney, Melbourne.
For this case, I'm trying to approach with the manager. I'm trying to contact with the manager, with your nearest home branch manager. Once I will get connected with him, and I will take appointment with him, sir, for your available time. So you can.
No, I don't have to speak. I don't have to speak with anyone because I have already spoken with the bank manager of my account, home branch manager, bank manager.
What informed, sir?
They are not the responsible people to handle my account. It's the VRM department. Now, if such is the case, even if I were to discuss with this branch official, bank manager nearby, are we even sure whether they will take this matter into their hands and then proceed further? I mean, who is the responsible person or department at Kotak Mahindra? I mean, which person or department? Which is that one? Is it VRM branch, nearby branch, or any branch, or Kotak Mahindra CEO? Who actually handles these kind of matters?
Sir, manager need to take handle this issue.
Yeah, if when the managers say that VRMs are the responsible people, but they don't connect with me or I don't connect with the right kind of person from their department, that kind of department who works like you, at least as far as listening is concerned. There was one person by name Shivkumar, but what I was told that I have to check with the government of Karnataka or government of Hubli Dharwad.
Sure, sir. Definitely, I will check with him and I will inform it clearly to provide you complete information about this query. I will check with the manager directly, sir.
Which manager?
Branch manager, sir.
I have already spoken to him. He has told that we cannot do anything.
Your branch manager. I'm going to check with the head manager who will take care about all the centers. So I will check with him, sir, first of all.
No. This checking thing has been going on since September. This checking thing, right? It has been going on. It will go on forever. We will not actually make any progress. There has to be some higher authority person at Kotak Mahindra. Okay.
Sir,
I don't think there is anyone.
Sir, I want to tell you one thing.
No. Hold on. There is no designated person at Kotak Mahindra or department which handles these kind of matters, which will resolve these kind of matters amicably for their customers. To me, it sounds like Kotak Mahindra is one of the most irresponsible bank in the whole banking ecosystem, as far as my knowledge goes. Most irresponsible bank.
We are really sorry for that, sir. But we are trying our level best.
Because the reason why I'm saying like this is, your bank doesn't value the money of your own customers. I'm not even a customer of other banks. I mean, in this case, your bank, Kotak Mahindra, such is your bank. We just only have to speak in terms of money and the problem. We don't have to involve this, that, this. Nope. This is the main problem of your bank. And people like me would like to stay away from your kind of banks, actually, quite frankly speaking. Literally. I would think of banking with a bank which actually gives value and importance to their customers' money. There are many banks in Gulbarga. There are many political leaders who literally handle the money of people like me. They become the mediators between me and the banks, quite frankly speaking. Okay? They take all the responsibility, systematically, properly. Okay? They give value to every single rupee. Okay? Every single rupee, INR. Okay? You know how banking is done. Even I as well. Maybe you might not be knowing, which is why we are having this kind of problem in my case. Or maybe it is just in my case, probably. Or maybe your bank is like this. Maybe. Is it because your bank is providing 6.9% for 10 years duration? Is it because of that? That comes later actually. First is money, the principal amount. Safety of this money. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So your bank and your officials, they lack minimum basic fundamental skills of banking. They literally lack. Which is why we are having these kind of discussions, these kind of issues, and there's no progress accordingly. Nothing. Literally. So you should have had a date today actually. I mean,